I will show you another trick in Power BI DAX in order um, to derive tables. So in this case, I will show you the pivoting trick. So you know that in Power BI you can use the pivot table to perform year on year, right? So for example, in this case, let me show you quickly. If I want to recognize the revenue by FY and then by market, and then this is the revenue or the sale, then you can use a pivot table as well. Okay, so it's like this. But sometimes you want to draw the table explicitly. So you want this, for example, you want to compute this one, and then later you add the year on year on this two column and this two column. For example, this is the simplest way to do. This is simplest example to demonstrate the pivoting function. Okay, so you cannot do this in here, in this view, because it it just doesn't it doesn't have the design, or it does, but then you need a lot of work in order to get there. And then later, if you do it again by segment or by top customer, then you have to work a lot to get there. Okay, so I will show you the easy way to do that, and then you can replicate in different ways. Okay, so let us start with modeling again. So I will model this one in a new table, and then I will name it b uh, 4. Okay, uh, pivot, and then I use the grouping function to in this case. So in the first step, I will group the um, table B1 by F by market, and then I will make the FY 24 here with the random number. Actually, I can do 0. And then return step 1. If you want to add, if you want to group the, you need a grouping function in this case, because this inside the group. So you just you need to copy this one by one here like this. Okay, so let me put these things line by line so you can compare them. Because okay, so if you look into this table, you will see uh, I will I will do the same like for like here first, and then later you can see. So in here I will do the YTD as well. So it look like this. YTD, then YTD 25 as well, and then so the result in here, you can see the result will have 4 columns. And then if you want to display them like for like with this table, then you can just click, 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 and click, and click. Okay, so they will appear like for like this. But everything will be 0 because I just put 0 in here. So everything will be 0. And then uh, uh, I need to fix this expression in order to make it like for like with this view. Okay, so I will fix by changing this one into POS, POS sale. Okay, so I copy the POS sale from here to here, and then hopefully I get the numbers. Okay, so uh, let me figure it out why the thing is double. Oh, I know it already. So this one is double. It's meant to be double because you see this number, this total, everybody is the same. And then it tied to the total of everything. So this one is not the revenue by FY24, 25, and so on. It's just the total of all the revenue. So if I want to do the specific numbers, I need to uh, add the filter here. If the FY equal FY 24, 23, 23, then I give 1, otherwise I give 0, and then multiply by this cell. So I do the same thing with the, okay, let us run first and then see. So this one tied to this number already, right? So it's tied to this number. So if I copy the same thing again here, mm, and then I change the year, it will give me the other 23, 24, 20, YTD 22, 24, and then YTD 20, 25, 25, right? Okay. So after this one, I will see the like for like between the two views already. So basically they are the same, but this one I use the pivoting chart in here. This one I use the grouping function and I derive a new table. So if you want to copy this table here, you can just go to uh, the tabular view, and then you can just right click and then copy table, and then everything will go to your Excel. Okay. Now the second view will mix the two different. In this case, I will add more values in this one. So step 2, I will add step 2. Step 2 will be add more column on top of step 1, and then 2 column I will do like this. The first one is the growth rate between 25 and then 24. Sorry, 24, and then 20, 23. So this one I will use the uh, I just realized that my number is a little bit my label is a little bit uh, problematic, so I need to fix this one first. Okay, so this one again, in order to find the growth rate, you just divide this one 24, and then the other one you can just copy it down, and then you replace the 25 over 24, right? So 25 YTD 24, and then this one Y 25. Okay, so after this, and then I return step 2, and then hopefully I have the correct number. Okay, the first thing is because I changed the FY already, so this one I have to bring it back. Uh, I just don't summarize this. The option to not to summarize it just a little bit problematic because it doesn't give you the total in here. But then the trick is just uh, to make the column a little bit shorter. Okay, so I will do the same thing with the other additional column as well. Okay, so this one is it gives you the contribution the growth rate between the 2 years. You can do the same thing with the contribution rate as well. So for example, if you want to do the contribution rate of the FY 23, you only need to sorry, contribution rate, you only need to divide the FY 23 with the sum of the 23. So S 23. So this one is the sum of 23. Now the sum of 23 is not here yet, so I have to compute in here as 23 sum x of the step 1 FY23. Okay, so now it come here already. Then maybe I will do the other with 24 before I move to the to copy this one to reuse this one. Okay, so CT24 will be the S24 divided by F24. Okay, so eventually I expect to the contribution rate will be 1, and then here you go. So you have the 1 already here, or 100%. If you format this one into the percentage, and then it will tie to 100%. So that's how you check the contribution rate. The contribution rate is very easy to check in this case. Okay, so the growth rate will be a little bit more difficult, but you can check here from here to here. So from 15K to 36K, you can 30K, you can guess the 50% growth, because this thing almost double this thing, right? I think more than double. 15 times 2 will be 30. This one 36 already. So it's 50%. Okay, so you can check by that one as well. Okay, so um, if you want to bring the total back, and then the total, you can just go to sum, and then you change this one into you have to manually uh, change the column name in here. So bring this one to the sum, and then change the column name in here, and then you have the sum at the same time. So if you want to group format it by the separator, then you have to click on the column one by one. So what I don't like about this approach, it's just like it's very intuitive. It's like the Excel exercise, and then you can copy and paste as well. So basically, you can copy the whole thing here by market, and then you replace the market to the segment, and then the segment, and then the top customer. Then you have your answer already. But then the problem with this approach is like every time you add the column, it will go here, and then you cannot format the column one by one. Sorry, you cannot format all the column in the same manner, and then you have to click one by one, and then you format. But then another upside of this approach is that you can sort by this, and you can sort by this, and you sort by this as well. Basically, each of the column will be independent from the other guy, so you can sort by any of them, and it doesn't. Uh, uh, it's not any problem with this approach. This one very good in terms of like you don't have to think about the formula a lot, but then you can only sort by this one, and then other than that, it will be very difficult to sort by those guys. And then also it will be problematic when you want to add the growth rate and then the contribution rate in here.